This video is going to cover the descriptions of all of the contents of the tool bag for the SkyWatcher 8 telescope systems. In the upper right corner is the finder telescope. This will mount on the side of the telescope and allow you to help get the telescope pointed in the right place. Immediately below that, this box here contains the laser collimator. There'll be a separate video on how to use this to align the optics of the telescope. Below that, this piece is a magnet that adds weight to the bottom end of the telescope to balance out the weight that is on the telescope from the camera. To the left, this cable here is actually a Y cable. On one end it's this female connector, and on this end is two male connectors that are used to connect up the power to the camera and the telescope. To the left here is a double barrel cable. This is used to get power from the battery to the camera. These next two cables here, that is for connecting up the telescope to the controller. This is the azimuth cable. It goes from the azimuth motor on the bottom up to the altitude motor on the side. And this curly cable here is the one that goes from the altitude motor to the hand paddle. The hand paddle is the one that's in the pink bubble wrap here in the upper left. In the lower left, this is a USB cable. That's the data cable that goes between the computer and the camera. There's a bolt here. This is used to attach the telescope tube to the base prior to moving it around. And then we have two adapters here. The smaller of the two is used to hold the laser collimator during its use. If you're not using the laser collimator, you don't need this piece. This piece is used as an adapter to go in between the telescope and the camera. So you'll put this on the telescope and then you'll put the camera on the other side of this. And then inside you have eyepieces and tools.